Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video, I will show you how to turn off Facebook sound when scrolling on iPhone. Recently, lot of Facebook users has been reported to how to turn off Facebook sound when scrolling on iPhone. So guys, are you facing same problem on your iPhone? You want to fix how to turn off Facebook sound when scrolling. Now please make sure follow the steps. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now the user's question is how to fix and how to turn off Facebook sound when scrolling. Now first of all, open the Facebook applications. Now tap on the menu at the right hand side bottom. Here scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, now again tap on the settings. In the settings, now scroll down and tap on the media. In the media, you can see also sound options available. Inside the sound, in app sound is turned on. Now please make sure turn off app sound. This same trick work for the Android users, so guys please make sure follow this same step on the Android mobile. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.